Hello and welcome. Today, we'll be taking a look at how easy it is to change the hourly billing rate for a timekeeper and to make it take effect as of a specific date. Let's open timekeeper information from the Quick Launch. Notice that there are two columns for rates in this window, the hourly rates and the new rates. Whereas the hourly rates column is used for current billing rates, the new rates column can be used for future billing rates when a date is defined in the effective date of new rates field. For example, this attorney will be increasing their hourly rate from $250 to $275 starting at the beginning of the year. Once the timekeeper information is saved, let's take a look at how this affects fee entry. When you enter a fee for December 31st, the old rate of $250 is still used. When you enter a fee for January 1st, the new rate of $275 is used instead. It's that simple. Back on the timekeeper information screen, you can optionally use the Move Rates button to move the rates listed in the new rate column to the hourly rate column once the effective date has been reached, or you can leave it until the next time you need to change rates for a timekeeper. For clients that use a fee rate table instead of the rates defined in the timekeeper file, the same functionality is available. Let's take a look. From the Rates tab of Client Information, select the Fee Rate Table button to edit a defined table. From here, select the timekeeper and enter both an effective date and a new rate to the table. Once the changes have been entered, click Save Table. It is important to note that the effective date of new rate does not work retroactively, so any existing work in process transactions will not be affected by changing the effective date field. If you need to change the rate on transactions that have already been entered, use the Change WIP Transaction program, which can be accessed using search actions in the Quick Launch. Thanks for watching. See you next time.